So recently there's this slime shop that opened right next to me and it looks really cool. So today we're gonna be sneaking in to see what they have. We found a back door, but it was locked. Fortunately, Paul had just taken a 7-course class on pick locking, which is kind of confusing because there wasn't even a lock on the door, but we got in. This place was crazy. It had all kinds of things and it was all slime related. They had even the same sweater as me. They even have a DIY slime bar and pre-made slimes. But this is where it got weird. There is slimatory slime here.
What?
What is going on?
Wait, Amira, there's not one. There's hundreds of slimatory slimes.
Oh
What?
my god, Mom.
What?
This is our store.
What?
Oh my god. Slimatory side. We're so dumb.
I know.
I'm just kidding, guys. We have a slimatory store. We didn't sneak into a random store. Don't do
We
that.
did
That's
sneak
illegal
in
and bad.
to a store.
This
Our
is
slimatory
our
store.
store, and we are gonna do overnight at the slimatory.
Yes!
So I have said it a few times, but if you guys don't know, we actually opened up a slimatory store. It is at Santan Village Mall, and I am so excited, guys. It took forever. That's why we have been posting less. So sorry about that. But look at what we have now, an entire slimatory store. We have squishies, socks, water bottles because
It's summer.
and you guys need to stay hydrated. Have you drinking water today? I didn't think so.
I haven't either, so.
We got patches, we got stickers, and everything is, of course, slime related. Everything has slime on it, guys. We even have necklaces, earrings, tapestries,
Put it on your walls.
keychains. I love this one, look at it. It's a little rainbow slime flower. We got Mr. Frog right here, Frog the Frog. You can even have me on a keychain if you want.
And me.
And Paul.
And Jetta.
We even have, oh my God! Don't,
Killed her.
don't tell the owner I did that. Oh wait, that's us! We even have a new brand. We have a few new brands, but this one is Chaotic Bears. I love this. So basically, they are bears with knives and weapons. So cute. Look at them. Look at, he's so angry. What is he running to? Probably to kill me.
I don't care because he's cute.
We even have beanies, which I admit, it's a little out season.
No,
However,
it's not. This one right here is my favorite.
they're still
'cause-
great. Beanies are still great.
Yeah, for the sun.
But little secret, little fun fact.
I'm letting you guys in on.
This store was actually supposed to be open in winter, but we ran into a bunch of complications with the city and a bunch of other things. And so we got beanies, but we also have bucket hats, so it's okay. And beanies are still great anyway, so.
I love beanies.
Another brand we had that we opened is called Random May, and this one I love. Basically, I love all the anime stuff and shirts from shows. However, we were thinking, what about anime, just random anime? Random. Get it? Because my mom doesn't.
I totally did.
But anyways, look at that. It's basically random anime, like I said.
Yeah,
And
random May.
What she said.
look at how cute this water bottle. We got, oh,
And
look.
it's pink.
We got backpacks, sweatshirts, also made for winter, but complications. But anyways, we also have shirts. And this is slime drips. Look at that, guys. It looks so cool. This one's kind of like mine, but it's pink. It has a different skull on the back, and it's also a little glittery. But if you do want the one that I'm wearing, it's this one. Look at how cool it is. It's so comfy and baggy. I love baggy sweatshirts, and these ones are so baggy. Look at this.
I want this one. We can be twinsies.
Good. And I even made slime specifically to some of the stuff in the store. This is Snuggles, the dino, and he's so cute. So I made Snuggles Pineapple Lime Freezy, and it is a yellow cloud, clear cloud slime with green foam beads. And it smells so good, like pineapple and lime. And on this side, guys, we obviously have slime supplies. All my life, all the 6 years I've been making slime, I had to go to tons and tons of stores to get this and that, Michael's, Walmart, Target, to get different ingredients. Now you can go to Slimatory and get every single thing you need for slime, things you'd have to go online for. So we got glue, pre-made activator, because activator is annoying to make. And a lot of people were asking for me to make my special activator, so now you can get it made. We got sprinkles, so many sprinkles, and there's gonna be even more sprinkles to come.
So make sure you stay tuned.
Charms, scents have to be like one of my favorites because they smell so good and they make the slime so much better.
And my favorite, magical clay.
And of course, magical clay, which people keep sticking their fingers in. Paul, no.
Oh.
Seriously,
Hey,
guys,
wait a
though.
second. Maybe it's Paul the one that's been doing this.
Paul.
If you guys come and you see people sticking their fingers in, do me a favor
Yeah,
and tell
let
them,
us know.
hey.
Don't do that. Yeah.
And
Tell us.
And we also have toy slimes. These are great for if you're just like,
Want to squish something.
and you don't want to do with the other slime. Or it's also a great beginner slime if you don't know how to play with slime and you don't really understand what it is. Great for beginners. And one of the best parts about the store, guys, and we just opened it, the slime bar. never seen anybody do a slime bar. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's basically like an ice cream bar. So you can choose whatever slime you want, and then you can add on things. You can add your food coloring, you can add your scents, glitters, foam beads, charms, gummy bears, fishbowl, and a ton of sprinkles. Look at these guys, they're so cute. And it is all changed weekly. So you can come one week, make whatever fragrance slime you want, and a ton of different slimes. So there's a ton of different options. And then come next week, and there's a ton of more new things. And we even have these clay pieces that you can just add on. Like if you want to make a waffle that's got like, I don't know, heart syrup. I don't know what that is, but you can make it if you want. Or you can just have a simple vanilla ice cream scoop, which people really love this one. Let's get this overnight challenge started. We got all night to be here, and there's tons to do. Oh, look guys, we have our first customer.
I'm so excited. All right,
Wait
so
a second. You look an awful lot like my mom.
no.
Actually, what's your mom's name?
Actually, anyways, my name is Karen.
All right, so what do you want?
Okay, so I want this and this and this and this and this and this. This everything. It looks so pretty. And
Could you please hurry?
because I have a yoga appointment after this.
Of course, I'll get started on it right away.
A little faster. My
I'm
class
trying.
is gonna start in like 5 minutes.
I'm trying. And done. And this blue sugar cookie, I did see you ask specifically for the blue, but here you go. Oh my God, do you not like it?
This is
What?
perfect.
Oh my gosh. Okay, great.
This is exactly what I wanted.
Okay,
Thank
well, I think I handled my first Karen correctly.
I'm just gonna go sit over there and play with this.
I thought you had a yoga class.
Yoga class? Forget about the yoga class. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I just want to eat it. Yes, it's beautiful. How do you do this? I just want to
Inflammatory magic.
eat the cookie.
Don't eat the cookie. It's clay. Don't eat any of this.
This is so cool. I really wish I could eat this, but you know what? This is great.
Okay, how would you rate this experience?
100 out of 10.
And as a Karen?
100 out of 10.
Okay, time for challenge number 2. Let's go. Next challenge for this one, we're gonna grab any clothing item
In the store.
and turn it into a slime. This
Anything
one,
I want from here?
Wait.
Oh, there's so much stuff.
jeez.
Oh, check this one out. That's a freaking alien. Oh, is that the one on the mannequin? Oh, nope, it's not. Oh, that one's really cool too though. Has so many choices, I don't know what to do.
I am going to the inflammatory clothes section because they are all so pretty and like kawaii. We got a bunch of crop tops, love crop tops. We got a freaking pickle. Oh, we got broom. I'm getting this one.
I found one of my favorites. Look at that. It says, don't poop where you sleep. Recycle is the only way. That's right. I'm going with this one.
Got our shirts. Let's change. Woo! Ta-da! I like this.
Let's go.
Let's make our slime. Mine's gonna be so much better than yours.
No.
Watch.
Okay, so I have a pretty good idea of what I want to do. I'm gonna make like a donut basically, but it's kind of like an ice cream cone. And it's gonna look really cool, so I'm using fluff. So I'm making a donut. I'm gonna add cake scent, and then we're gonna make this a dough color. I'm gonna make it just a very light yellow. And it is done, the color, not the slime. Now I'm gonna add sprinkles, because she has sprinkles. This is the dough part, and I'm gonna put like a pink,
Syrup on top?
so we're gonna add the sprinkles. I'm adding 2 scoops. Maybe 3 scoops. We're gonna add 3 scoops. I'm done with the base of it. Now I'm gonna make my syrup part. So I've got some basic slime right here. I'm gonna add some pink slime coloring and then strawberry scent. And I put strawberry and coconut scent because I wanted to see how that would smell. I really love coconut and vanilla and strawberry. So I am done with my topping. I'm gonna assemble it now. Go. And we're gonna grab my frosting part and we're gonna go for one more sprinkle round. And I'm done! Look at how cute. This is what I call sprinkled donut ice cream dough.
All right, so I'm gonna make this guy. And I already got my pre-made slime right here, so easy. I think 4 scoops is good. All right, so now actually we're gonna swirl it, put that in there. And this is now strawberry banana guy. Now we got, okay, all right, we got all these sprinkles. What are we putting? He looks like he likes gummy bears, so I'm gonna put some gummy bears on there. Oh yeah, that matches real nice. And then I'm gonna go with, whoa, oh my gosh. I'm gonna go with fruits, and then I'm gonna go with this one. Real nice, okay. And this is it. I got my slime.
And we are done. We have our slimes. Here is mine. I call this donut dough ice cream, kind of like cookie dough ice cream. Donut dough ice cream.
Okay, it looks great. I gotta admit, mine looks great too though.
What is
and you mix it in.
What is it?
It's Don't Just the World guy.
That's what the slime is called.
This is so cool.
That smells amazing.
I know. Oh, look at the beauty.
That looks pretty good too. I like how it looks like a sherbet ice cream, which apparently is pronounced sherbet, but I'm gonna call it sherbet. And it's time for my ASMR. It's so pretty, I don't want to destroy it. I like how it dripped on the sides. This is so cool. I think having the slime bar makes making slime 10 times funner. Like, it is so cool to just have it all on the counter and all the sprinkles. It is the funnest thing ever. All right, time for judgment time.
Who wins?
Okay, well, after taking a while and looking at both of the slimes, I totally have a winner.
Yeah,
This was a really...
because you're favoriting her.
No.
Yeah.
Well, she's better. And the winner is... Paul! I'm just kidding. It's Amira!
Okay, for the next challenge, we are going to be making a slime.
Oh, that's weird.
Paul is actually going to decide.
Ooh, all right, you guys have 2 minutes to make me slime. Go!
What?
The best slime wins!
We only have 2 minutes, so I decided to go with the color that everybody likes, blue. You can never mess up blue.
Okay, so I don't think I have time to copy Amira's. I'm just gonna grab whatever and win this.
1 minute. Let's go.
I'm already taking too long.
Okay.
Oh, you got a jar?
Yeah.
I forgot about the jars. I'm so used to using
Activator.
bags.
Excuse me, thank you. Oh my gosh, this is taking too long.
Oh, mine looks pretty.
30 seconds.
Stop!
No!
Why can't I open this? Why? This is the hardest activator bottle to open. Stop.
30.
Stop, Paul.
12.
I'm gonna stand.
11,
I can't make
10,
slime not standing.
9,
No.
No,
Oh,
no!
7, 6, 5,
where are my jelly cubes?
2, 1. Stop. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys 30 more seconds.
I gotta be standing to make slime. That's my natural form. Oh man, I think I overactivated this.
Better than mine.
9,
No, Paul,
Hey.
wait!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Stop it. All right, let's take a look at your slime. All right, let's take a look at your. Who was yours?
Me.
All right, you're first yet again. And let's poke this thing.
Pretty nice, right?
Oh, this is very nice. Oh, whoa! I saw you having struggle activating this, and then this is actually really freaking nice.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at yours now.
And here I thought I was gonna use magical clay, I was gonna use charms, I was gonna do 2 colors, cotton candy, and
Yeah, I can see all of this, and you have nothing in here. This looks great, and actually it feels pretty nice. Oh, this is a tough choice, but you know what? I'm gonna give the win to Amira because she's got more in her slime.
I do? Yay! Yeah, that glitter took a while. That's why I had trouble with that activation because I took like too long on that glitter. Okay, well we've made slime. We've done the slime bar.
Change clothes.
What do we do now?
I have an idea.
That's an idea.
Are you ready, Amira?
Yeah. Ow!
I win!
There's security, go, 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 go! Security, go! Hide! Paul, I don't think that's a very good hiding spot.
Let me go in the guacamole.
You're too fat for that.
Is there good hiding spots here?
Well, this is the slimatory, not a hidatory. Wait, we own this place. Are they really gonna come yell at us? Stop! And here we're showing you what you probably shouldn't do at the slimatory. No, definitely don't do. R.I.P. the slime bucket. We also tried making a slime bubble, but it completely failed and I got angry and gave up. Hey! Then we did this, whatever this is. And Paul gave me piggyback rides, like 3 times, but then he got tired and had to take a nap, which gave me the opportunity to do a little prank.
What?
No!
I'm totally gonna get back at her. I don't know how, but I got all night to figure it out.
The slime bar is my absolute favorite, so we went back and now I'm gonna make a slime for my mom. Okay, Mom, you can grab anything you want, unlimited toppings, just for you.
Ooh, okay, well, I want a banana and strawberry. Oh, and chocolate. What?
I'm going bathroom.
Okay.
Don't wait up on me. I had really bad burritos.
Why do you have to tell us? Banana and strawberry coming right up. And there we go. I got you extra too. What else do you want?
Gummy bears.
Okay.
Some sprinkles. Probably the. What's going on? What? What's going on?
No, where's Paul?
He went to the bathroom. I'm scared.
That's not security. I think we should hide. Let's go to the dressing room. Come behind the counter. Get down. Why are they so aggressive? I think security has a key.
I'm scared. They're trying to get in.
I'm scared. I don't want to move from here. Okay. I'm just stand here because I don't want them to know that we're in here. I think security goes.
Be quiet.
I'm gonna check.
I'm not gonna tell you. Can you see anything?
Yeah. I can. It's really far, but there's a person there. I just don't.
Ooh!
There's somebody outside.
What?
There's somebody outside. They've been knocking for like 10 minutes.
Knocking?
I don't know.
Who would
they
be
were
knocking at this
they were
time?
trying to break in, and they were
It's
like,
like two. You telling me there's somebody?
There was somebody. I don't know if they're still there. Be quiet. I'm not moving from here. I'm freaked out. Why do you not seem freaked out at all?
Oh, I'm totally freaked. But I didn't hear anything, and I don't see anything. I think you guys are lying to me. Are you pranking me again?
No.
You're pranking me, aren't you?
There was somebody outside.
Well, I didn't hear anything. All I heard was me.
Paul, that's gross. Come on. There's like literally a crazy person outside. You're making fun of your farts.
I think it's a great time to go to sleep.
Is it? I don't know. I don't think I can sleep anymore. I can barely sleep in general. Oh, I'm not going to sleep.
Why don't you leave the challenge? Get out.
No, I'm staying in here and I'm staying awake all night. I'm keeping an eye out.
Well, I haven't heard any noise, so I'm going to sleep in my comfy spot. Thank you very much.
No!
Nobody's gonna get it. We got security, Amira. There's no problem.
Why do you say security like that?
Wait.
Can you stand here for a second, Amira?
No.
Just
Paul,
right here for a second.
Paul, can you wait for a second, Paul?
Really?
Hey! What the? Jay! You can't take my spot!
Paula! This is
It's the dressing room. You cannot just come in here.
Guys,
Who brought this pillow in here?
tired.
Did she bring that?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys.
You know
stole
what?
my spot.
You know what, guys? Let me sleep.
This is my spot, first of all, and second of all, you really gonna leave me out there with a crazy person?
Can you stand right here for a second? Come over.
No, you're not gonna hit me again.
Stand right here for a second. please.
Where? Here?
Yeah, right there. Just stand me.
You're not gonna.
No,
hit me
just
again,
stand
Paul.
right there. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm not gonna hit
sitting
you.
there.
I'm not gonna hit you. Just stand right there.
If you hit. Okay, fine. Be a coward, but I'm gonna stay out there and watch. I'm not sleeping. I am watching. Okay. This is my insomnia's time to shine.
Yeah, she's scared because somebody's gonna break in here and steal all her slime.
No, they're not. Not on my watch. I'm gonna sit here and play with my slime all freaking night. Nobody is stealing my slime. Or maybe it's the magical clay poker holder. I don't know. But I can't go to sleep like this. There's a crazy person outside, so I'm just gonna stay low and I'll play with my slime. I have to do this all night anyways.
Tomorrow.
You're still awake?
Yes. We had to keep watch. There is a little crazy person out. I mean, I don't think they're there anymore, but I cannot go to sleep when there's a crazy person outside. I don't know what's wrong with you guys.
Well, I'm glad you couldn't sleep because I had a good night's sleep.
That's great.
Good news, Amira, though. We made it. Overnight. Let's go.
That's true! And it was pretty cool. Except for the crazy person. We gotta get on that. We gotta tell security about that.
Yeah, totally.
Well, that is it for today's challenge. I hope you guys enjoy it. And how do you like the store? I think it came out pretty good. But make sure you guys comment down below any suggestions you have because we want to make it the best we possibly can. And we're also going to be having an event soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It's going to be a meet and greet, and I'm so excited because I haven't done it in so long, and I haven't been able to interact with you guys in so long because of you know. Anyways, that is it. I love you so much. I really hope I see you guys next time. Also, it's at Santan Mall.